Guys, it's me, Sean here. I'm back, and the storm got worse. It's like right outside of us now. It's nearly here, but now look what they're saying. So it definitely got worse. I think we're about to go take shelter in the basement. Look, it's like practically here though. Actually, I think it might just be getting here. I'm gonna zoom way in at it. Oh yeah, it's right on the outside of us. Here. Wow. Yeah, I think it's right about to hit us. Hey guys, so as you guys can tell, we are now in the basement because they said for your safety, move to the lowest level of your building. So that's what we did. And yeah, now we're taking shelter, I guess. So, yeah. Let's see what it's doing. Oh yeah, it's here. Wow, this is just unbelievable. I'll actually be right back. We're in the basement. Obviously, I'm sure you guys can hear the TV. We got the news on. And we turned off all the lights in the basement. I mean, we turned off all the lights upstairs, so it's like pitch black up there. But, if we look up there, it's probably going to be lightning like every second. So, yeah, here. I don't want to go up there, actually. Holy crap. Alright, I'm going back down. So yes, I am back down from upstairs, and yeah, that was a lot of lightning. I know what I'm gonna do on my phone. I'm gonna go into the weather channel, and I'm gonna go onto the radar map, and I'm gonna zoom in really close to our location and see what it looks like with all the different colors going by. Yep. We're still in a severe, we're still got those severe alerts. Alright, here we go. I'm gonna zoom in really close. It looks cool. Here, let me start it over and I'll show you guys. Like, man, this is actually crazy. Oh, yep, now I can hear the pouring rain again. Oh yeah, I know you guys probably can't see me very well, but I'm gonna record the front door really quick. Crazy. Whoa. Wow. Wow, this is ridiculous. And now it sounds like it got lighter. I don't know, I'm gonna go over here where everybody else is. Then maybe we can check my radar.
We're getting back over to first warning and class. Clearly, our area needs a break from all the rain that we've gotten. Yeah.
Alright. So yes, I am back down here. And I'm gonna pull up the radar thing.
So I would say get out now if you have any beach plans, but those showers and thunderstorms are going to pop up quick. Maybe not the beach, but maybe if you can boat out on the lake. You have some clouds developing, but first warning radar not really.
It's just green now.
Let's look toward visible sound. We're getting back over to first warning meteorologist Kelly and class. Clearly, our area needs a break.
So yeah, I guess this is basically it since the storm is, I guess, over. So yeah, as of right now, I guess, peace.